Welcome to Emmelac online tutorial. Now let us look at this polynomial question, and it shows that if x minus 3 is a factor of this polynomial, okay, that is 2x cubed plus 3x squared minus 17x minus 30, and we're trying to find the other factors. Alright, if you are new to my channel, please kindly like, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to be notified of every of my videos in physics and mathematics. Alright, let's get started. Now, since this term here, x minus 3, is a factor, which means when we divide the whole of this polynomial by this term, there will be no remainder, which means 0. Okay, so now let's do this, and let us use the synthetic method to find the other quadratic factor. Yeah, so let's do this. Now we take the coefficient of all these terms. Okay, you say 2, here you have 3, the next one is negative 17, and the next one is negative 30. Okay, alright, so now we take in 3. Okay, so here we have 3, positive 3. Now because if x plus 3 equals 0, then x will give us 0. X will give us 3. Okay, so the first one here just includes 0. Just draw a line. So 2 plus 0 is 2. Now 3 times 2, that will give us 6. You write your 6 here. Now 3 plus 6 will give us what? 9. Okay, now 3 times 9, that will give us 27. Now negative 17 plus 27, that should give us 10. Now 3 times 10, that will give us what? 30. So you put 30 here. So negative 30 plus 30, that will give us what? 0. So these are the coefficients of the quadratic term. Okay, so this will now give us 2x squared now plus 9x plus 10. Okay, so with this now we can now factorize. Alright, so let's just add open two parentheses this way. Now since the leading quadratic term here is 2, just put 2x, then 2x. Now since we are having positive and positive here, add positive and add positive. Okay, now multiply the leading coefficient here times 10, that will give us 20. What are those two numbers in which one we multiply to give us 20, and we add to give us what? 9. That should be 5 and 4. Okay, because 5 times 4 will give us 20, 5 plus 4 will give us 9. So here we can just add 5, and here we have what? 4. But looking at this time here, we have a common term, which is what? 2. You can just divide through by 2, and when we divide through by 2, this by 2, this by 2, so we have that 2x plus 5. Then when we divide through here, we are left with x. Then plus when we divide through here, we are left with what? 2. So the other two factors is 2x plus 5 and x plus 2. Thank you, and remain blessed. Bye bye.